Aloha from Chappy's Tiki Bar.
Go Texans!
No Texans.
Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Today we're making a Princess Smile cocktail. It's a martini style cocktail, so I've chilled my martini glass. And I'll just put the ice in the shaker here. Alright, so it calls for a dash of lemon, and I'm getting this from the Savoy Cocktail Book, by the way. So, just doing a little bit of fresh lemon juice in there. And then a 1/4 part apricot brandy. Brandy, you're a fine girl. So are you, Mookie. Oh, come on, Mookie. You gotta cooperate. Look at everybody out in YouTube land. There you go. Good girl. What a good girl you are. And then 1/4 part Calvados. If you don't have Calvados, you can use an apple brandy. And then 1/2 part dry gin. All right, we'll give that a shake up. And I'm gonna strain that on into my martini glass, which was chilled, wasn't it, Mookie? And I got a nice orange wedge as a garnish. And that's a Princess Smile cocktail. What's that, Mookie? Whoops. Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.